Today, I'll show you how to receive money from PayPal. First, open the PayPal app on your phone or go to PayPal in your browser. Sign in using your email address or mobile number and password. Before receiving money, make sure your PayPal account is fully set up. Check that your email address is confirmed because PayPal usually sends and receives payments through your registered email address. To check this, open your profile or settings, then look for your email address. If PayPal asks you to confirm it, open your email inbox and click the confirmation link from PayPal. Now, to receive money, give the sender your confirmed PayPal email address or mobile number. You do not need to give a bank account number. PayPal accounts are usually identified by email address or mobile number, so the sender can use that information to send payment to you. Ask the sender to open PayPal, choose Send, enter your PayPal email or mobile number, type the amount, and confirm the payment. Once they send the money, you should receive a notification from PayPal. Open the PayPal app and check your home screen. You may see the money in your PayPal balance. You can also tap Activity to view the incoming payment. Open the transaction to check the sender, amount, date, status, and transaction ID. If the payment says completed, the money has been received. If it says pending, PayPal may still be processing it. If it says on hold, PayPal may be holding the funds temporarily, especially if the payment is related to selling goods or services. For business or seller payments, you can also send a PayPal invoice. In the PayPal app or website, look for Request, Create Invoice, or Send Invoice. Enter the customer's email address, item details, amount, and due date. Then send the invoice. The customer can pay through PayPal, and you can track the payment from your account. After receiving money, you can keep it in your PayPal balance if available in your country, use it for online payments, or transfer it to a linked bank account. To withdraw, link your bank or card and wallet, then choose Transfer Money. Always make sure you are using the official PayPal app or website. Do not trust fake payment emails. If someone says they sent money, check your PayPal app directly. Never share your PayPal password, one-time code, or security details with anyone. So, to keep it simple, confirm your PayPal email, give your email or mobile number to the sender, wait for the payment, check activity, and transfer the money to your bank if needed. And that's how you receive money from PayPal. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.